Are you tired of Facebook and looking to delete your account but can't figure out how? Let me help you. All right, first click on the picture of your icon in the top right and select Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. From here, you'll click the Accounts Center and then Personal Details. From here, you'll click Account Ownership and Control. I'm telling you, they do not try to make this easy, do they? Deactivation or deletion. And then you select the account that you want to deactivate or delete. Oh my God, this is going to feel so good. That's fine. I don't feel safe on Facebook. Boy, they really want you to stay, don't they? Make sure that you have downloaded any pictures or anything like that that you need. I'm not doing any of that. Continue. Just so they can remember your password for you one more time. Ja. It's that simple, only 15,000 steps to delete your Facebook account. Enjoy living hate-free.